How to fix Ticketmaster app login not working issue. In today's video, we're going to solve an annoying issue if you can't log into your Ticketmaster app, whether you're facing login problems due to forgotten credentials, app errors, or connectivity issues. I've got all the solutions for you, so let's dive in. First, let's talk about why your Ticketmaster login might not be working. Here are some common reasons. You might have entered the wrong username or password. Multiple failed login attempts can lock your account temporarily. The app might be malfunctioning or outdated. Or if your internet connection is weak, the login process can fail. Now let's go through the steps to fix these problems one by one. We'll start with the basics and move on to more advanced solutions if needed. Now open your app, or you can also go to the Ticketmaster. Now simply go to the login page. Now enter your correct username and password. Double check it. It's an easy to make a typo, especially with long passwords. So make sure you're entering the correct email address or username and password. If you're unsure, try typing them into a password manager app or directly into a web browser to see if they work there. Now, if you still can't log in, try resetting your password. Simply tap on Forgot Password on the login page. Now, enter your registered email address and follow the instructions sent to your inbox to reset your password. Ticketmaster might lock your account temporarily if there are multiple failed login attempts. If this happens, you need to wait for a while before trying again. Typically, the lockout lasts anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour. Just be patient, and after the wait, try logging in again. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause problems with logging into the Ticketmaster. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular signal. Try switching between them. And there you have it. These are the steps to fix the Ticketmaster login not working issue.